This week, instead of just talking about the numbers for one of our properties, I want to show you what actually goes into getting one of these homes ready for an investor and ultimately a resident. So this is our property of the week. This is 572 7th Avenue, Southwest in Graysville, Alabama. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, about 1,400 square feet, and it sits on almost an acre. Purchase price is $171,750, and we're projecting the rent at the $1,295. So moving to the renovation, as most of you know, Spartan Invest doesn't simply just add paint, clean up the property, and call it rent ready. Our renovations are a lot more comprehensive than that. So I want to walk through some of the progress photos for this home. Now, this home is not complete. Currently, there's still some additional work to be done, but we've installed a new metal roof. We've done a complete HVAC replacement. We're addressing landscaping, drainage, and grading around the home. We're making repairs to the siding, the trim. We added the porch and the handrails, and then we've addressed some things in the foundation and crawl space just to ensure stability. We're also making repairs to the septic system. We've replaced the header line, and we've had to make a couple of repairs to the field lines. And so if you go inside, we've painted throughout. We're installing LVP flooring, doing tile work, replacing damaged doors and trim, making sure the home is clean and functional. In the kitchen, we're adding new granite countertops and an undermount sink, updating cabinetry, hardware, and modifying the cabinets to also include a dishwasher. Now, both bathrooms are getting substantial updates as well, including light fixtures, vanities, lightings, etc. And then there's a couple of things that are not seen in listing photos, right? So we're repairing the electrical, plumbing systems, and then we've also installed a new water heater. Okay, so now we can talk about the numbers. So like I said, the property at $171,750, using roughly $1,300 in rent, we're projecting a 7.62% year one cap rate. And you see this right here onto the 5 and 15 year. And then on the leverage side, and this is assuming all financing assumptions in this pro forma, we're projecting a cash on cash return of 10% with about $4,300 in annual net income with financing. So what I want you to take away is that this isn't unique to this particular home. This is how we approach the vast majority of our properties at Spartan. We want to address the big ticket items up front, do a full comprehensive renovation so that the investment property that we are delivering and that then we ultimately manage is really built to perform long term.